How to make a curved line in Canva. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a curved line in Canva. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Canva on your device. After you already do so, open the Canva and log in to your account. Now choose any section of documents, wallpaper or whatever design you want to make in Canva. After that, you want to put some straight line, then go to the three vertical dots on the top left side and you will see an interface like this with the templates, and on the downside you will see many other options also. Now go to the element option. From here you need the straight line option. Just tap on the line option, and when you tap on increasing or decreasing, you can do it with your choice right here. Just tap on this line again and tap to the very three vertical dots. And if you want to make this line curved, then it's the latest feature of line to select the line style. You can select it any way you like as well, and the line start line 8 as well. So it is straight right now, just tap on the straight, but you want to make it curved, then just tap on the curved option. So just like this, you can make your line curved when you go through the down section of the edit. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.